A busy workshop as normal, and this is approaching the end of a build. Mighty challenging.
So this is Rint's first 993 backdate, right?
Very wide-bodied, very individual, but a backdate, yes.
So why do people shy away from backdating 993 rather than 964? Because everybody goes for a 964 and backdates
It's a good question. I think Singer might have the answer to that. So I think it's just promotion and Singer. But for me, 993, you get the best of an air cooled. So why not do a 993? So you get ABS, central locking, but we've made it epically wide.
Yep.
3.6 twin spark on throttle bodies with a plenum that we're making from carbon fibre.
Great.
Individual bumpers, individual exhaust. We're going to try and do a sort of a prolapse, but there isn't quite as much room as we'd have hoped under there.
No.
Having a houndstooth interior, it's got some nice Recaro seats going in, electric aircon, everything's been retrimmed, backdated even down to, we made the old school
That looks really
rubbers.
cool, yeah.
So our one problem at the moment, believe it or not, is wheels and tyres. Not quite sure what we're going to put on here. The one will look cool, two will be very safe and huge fun to drive at the moment.
We'll find some.
We will find some.
We'll find some. So also, I think you said to me the other day, there's a couple of potential donors coming up.
There are.
993 donors.
Yeah.
So if anybody's interested in a 993 backdate.
Yeah, a couple of coupes coming up, a convertible that we can make into a coupe. And also, I'd like to build a G50 turbo out of a 964 Targa. Sounds ridiculous, looks amazing in my head. So I've got a few pictures that I will show you, and I think that's a car we've got to build.
Right.
So total one-off. I think some guy did some generated images over in the States. I happened to see those and I just went, oh, that looks like a ridiculously good idea.
Well, there you go, watch this space.
Yeah, you never know. So 993 Targa. Might be Sam's dad's car, who knows?